Link building is one of the most critical aspects of SEO. But let's face it, it can be time consuming and challenging. What if I told you that AI could revolutionize how you build backlinks for your website? Stick around and I will explain how AI links building is smarter, faster, and more effective. Link building is the process of getting other websites to link back to your website. Why is this important? Because search engines like Google use these backlinks as a measure of credibility and authority. The more high quality backlinks you have, the better your website can rank in search result. But building these links manually takes a lot of effort. AI steps in as a game changer. Using advanced algorithm and machine learning, AI can automate the link building process by number 1, identifying relevant opportunities. AI scans millions of websites to find those that match your niche and audience. Number 2, analyzing website quality. It evaluates metrics like domain authority, traffic, and relevance to ensure you are targeting high quality sites. Number 3, personalizing outreach. AI can draft compelling, tailored outreach emails that are more likely to get a response. All of this happens in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Here, how the process works. Number 1, website scanning. AI tools scan the internet to create a list of potential backlink opportunities focusing on website in your industry or niche. Number 2, content analysis. AI matches your content with the type of content on those great websites to ensure compatibility. Number 3, customized pitch creation. AI uses data like the site tone, recent posts, and audience preferences to craft personalized outreach messages. Number 4, follow-ups and tracking. Once the initial email is sent, AI tracks response and even sends follow-ups automatically, making sure no opportunity is missed. Here is why using AI for link building is no brainer. Number 1, saves time. AI can process data and execute tasks in minutes, tasks that would otherwise take you days. Number 2, improve accuracy. AI eliminates human error by identifying only the most relevant opportunities. Number 3, boost efficiency. From outreach to follow-ups, everything is streamlined, allowing you to focus on other parts of your business. Number 4, data-driven decision. AI analyzes large data sets to ensure you're always targeting the best opportunities. AI has made link building easier, faster, and smarter. Using AI to handle this crucial SEO task, you can focus more on creating quality content while watching your website climb up the ranking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insight on how AI can transform your digital strategy. Let's build smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you had adjust the tone or focus.